Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is another Theta update video, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe to this channel. In today's video, we'll be going over why you might want to reconsider staking to GPOOL and running your own Elite Edge node or Edge node instead. And I also wanted to go over something in my last video. I said something incorrect about Theta and an initial coin offering. So I did a little bit more research, and guys, thanks for all the feedback. It was taken, and let me read this. So the token supply distribution, there was a private sale. So I made this mistake on my previous video. So tokens made up 30% of the total supply. It was conducted from September 26, 2017 to December 27, 2017 for 300 million Theta, and it raised a total of about $20 million, selling 30% of the total supply. And then here is the breakdown right here. So once again, that is something that I misspoke and said incorrectly on my last video, but let's get right into the topic at hand. And it has to do with the new Theta ecosystem for 2022. And this is something that is going to change the economics for running your own Elite Edge node. And it makes it a bit more beneficial to run your own versus using GPOOL. Even though GPOOL is very good, it's a very good tool, but Theta is making it more incentives to run your own Edge node, and this is why. It's a little sentence right here, but once decentralized NFT storage is implemented, Theta NFTs will be hosted on Elite Edge nodes, allowing node operators to earn 1% of any T-Fuel sales of NFTs they are storing. And even though that is small, right now, we just have to think about the future. So you can potentially earn 1% of the earnings of the NFT that you are storing on your Elite Edge node. And guys, if you're not familiar with the Edge node, I do want to go over that real quick because I know there are other viewers who are not as familiar with the Theta ecosystem. So let's go over that real quick. The Theta Edge node, you can think of them as like the worker bee. So they are the nodes or the relays that are relaying video content from your laptop or your node that you installed on your laptop to others around you. And just reading this, the Edge node allows you to relay video streams over the Theta network and earn T-Fuel, providing support to Theta TV and other upcoming video platforms using the Theta network. With the latest update, you can now also broadcast your own video streams and have them distributed over the Theta network. This allows you to stream entirely peer-to-peer without any centralized CDNs involved. And that is the Edge node in a nutshell. And here is a quick graphical depiction of kind of what it looks like. Also, to be an Elite Edge node, there is a little bit more of a requirement. And for the Elite Edge nodes, at this time, there is a minimum of 10,000 T-Fuel required and a maximum of 500,000 T-Fuel that can be staked to each Edge node. And at the time of this recording, T-Fuel is approximately 35 cents. And if we multiply 35 cents times 10,000, it's about $3,500 in order to run an Elite Edge node. And if we check it out, if you have a Theta wallet, it is pretty easy to stake. The wallet page looks like this. You normally have Theta or T-Fuel. You just click staking, deposit stake, and you'd like to run an Edge node. It's just that easy. Theta makes it really easy. But if you don't want to run your laptop 24/7, there is a service out there. It is called GPOOL, and you are able to stake Theta or T-Fuel in the Theta ecosystem at least, and they make it very easy, like I said. So all you have to do is click on T-Fuel. You get the contract address from this website after signing up, and then the contract address you just place in your wallet right here, the Edge node summary. You just paste that contract address. If you want me to make a tutorial on this, please let me know in the comments below, and it's a very simple and easy tutorial I can make for you. But like I said, the ease of not having to run your laptop 24/7 is very convenient with GPOOL, but with the new incentives for Theta, so now we can get paid for relaying videos, which is one way to make money. Another way we can make money is, and this is on the Theta White Paper 3.0, is uptime mining. And this is for Elite Edge nodes Uptime mining is very, very important to the ecosystem right now. And all that is having your laptop or your edge node run 24/7. And the longer it runs, the more constant bandwidth you provide to the Theta ecosystem, and you get paid for that. They call it uptime mining. And looking at this real quickly, simply keeping an edge node, an elite node, running and available for data relays and other tasks, the node operator would be eligible to earn the T-Fuel inflation rewards. We believe with this uptime reward mechanism, the edge node network can quickly expand its node count and bandwidth capacity to serve the ever-increasing need from video platform partners. So that is the priority right now. Right now, Theta just wants the uptime. So that's number one. Secondary, you're going to get paid by relaying videos, and that's kind of like a, the cherry on top. Right now, there's not as many videos, but you do get paid for that. And then the next way, like we kind of talked about, is with the NFTs. So if the NFTs start taking off, you can start making more money, passive income, once again, just by running your edge node. And if we check out a couple examples from Theta Drop, the official Theta NFT marketplace, right now I couldn't find too many examples. Once again, this is still relatively new, but just think about the future, and then think about the larger drops, the Katy Perry, and then the next celebrities that are going to hop on board. Right now, this is a Theta collectible NFT, and you can see the original purchase price was $3. And then from there, the next purchase was $35. From there, $33. And then from there, about $31. So with the latest update from that's going to happen in the future, whoever is hosting that NFT is going to earn 1% of any T-Fuel sales on whichever NFT they're storing. So in this theoretical example, if this was held in an elite edge node, you'd make 1% of $3, which, guys, I know it's not a lot, and 1% of $35, once again, 35 cents, and then 33 cents and 31 cents. But these little transactions, they do add up. And then when you start talking about hosting, a Katy Perry backstage pass or concert tickets, those things will definitely start adding up really, really quickly and make it more worth your while to run the edge nodes and not stake to GPOOL. And here's another example. This is for the World Poker Tour, the chance of a golden ship. We see $50, $99, $114, and $165. So 1% of each one of those transactions would just go straight into your Theta wallet account. And guys, in summary, that is what I wanted to show you and just highlight the fact that there is a new way, a new mechanism to earn money, passive income, through the Theta update. And this is going to happen in 2022 or later once decentralized NFT storage is implemented. And I don't know, if you are staked to GPOOL, I would start second guessing it, and maybe it might be worthwhile to start running an elite edge node, and you potentially could, earn a lot more money that way in the future. What do you guys think of this? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys on the next one.